And now a bizarre incident that took place in Hyderabad. One Hyderabad doctor was charged 1.50 lakh rupees for a 30-hour stay in a private hospital after she tested positive. Dr. Sultana, who is the duty medical officer at the government-run fever hospital, had tested positive for the coronavirus, and on June 24th, then she was put under home isolation. However, she was later admitted to a private hospital after she complained of breathing problems on July 2nd. Shockingly, she says she was allegedly charged 1.50 lakh rupees for her stay, which was brief, and was released by the hospital only after she paid at least 1.20 lakh rupees. Now, the COVID warrior is alleging that she is diabetic, was given insulin despite that, but not served the food by the hospital, while she's also alleging unhygienic, unprofessional atmosphere in the hospital.
I've been admitted at Tumbe Hospital, Chadargarh. For one day they are charging me 1,15,000. I could not pay so much amount, and my brother paid 1.5 lakhs. We want discharge. They are not discharging. They are not behaving properly. They gave me insulin at 2, and the sister is no denying she didn't give me insulin. Then either they gave me food after insulin. 10 units of insulin was given to me, and the sister is denying she didn't give me insulin. My daughter is also COVID positive. My brother and my sister also COVID positive. And I'm not going getting proper medication here. I'm in trouble. Please help. I can't give them every day 1 lakh rupees.
In spite of so many requests to the Honorable Chief Minister Sri KCR Saab and KT Ramarao, no action is being taken against corporate hospitals. The poor are dying in the corporate hospitals. The poor are getting in-depth burden by paying so much bills, and have a thorough inquiry in what is happening in the corporate loot. Actually, I should call it corporate loot.
Unfortunately, one lady doctor who was also superintendent of a government hospital, she got herself admitted in a private hospital in Old City. There they are charging her 1,50,000 per day for what? There is no control over these private hospitals. When the pricing has not been controlled, then what is the use? A common man, a middle class man, if he has to spend lakhs of rupees on this COVID-19 situation for treatment, I think this is a total failure of the state government by not controlling even the private hospitals from exploiting the poor on this COVID-19 issue.
Now, Ashish is joining me on the phone line from Hyderabad. That's definitely a very sad video, and she seems in fear as well. But what exactly happened? Because private hospitals are not capped. So the woman was told that just for about a day or more of stay, that it would be almost 2 lakh rupees.
Yes, you are absolutely right, Pooja. It's a very unfortunate and very sad story, in fact. This Dr. Sultana, she herself is a COVID warrior. She is assistant civil surgeon of a hospital where a COVID patient go for treatment, and unfortunately she contracted the virus while performing her duty. She was under house isolation. She was self-monitoring herself, but on 2nd of this month, she suffered a certain breathing issue, and she was rushed to a nearest private corporate hospital. And there, after spending some 30 hours, she was asked to pay almost 1.50 lakhs. And there, this particular doctor, unfortunately, several of other family members are also positive of this particular DMO of a government hospital. She was asked to pay 1.5 lakhs when she asked about that government regulation and government cap on COVID treatment, COVID isolation. Corporate hospitals said that they are not aware about, and they will not. They are not kind of aware about all those government orders, and she has taken the treatment, and she should be paying the amount. And that led to this particular doctor into tear. She made a video. She circulated a video. We were approached by Dr. Sultana herself. I spoke to Dr. Sultana, and now the corporate hospital has just now clarified, and they say that they have done nothing wrong. Everything was actually followed as per government norms and procedure. And they say that this particular doctor was provided treatment, and based on those treatment, the corporate hospital is charging the money, had charged in fact the money. Meanwhile, political parties...
And clearly, Ashish, this issue has come up with regard to private hospitals about different cities as well. And is it really possible to cap all the private hospitals? Thank you for that story as well, Ashish, with all the latest from Hyderabad.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.